At Perfect Choice, we know our customers rely on us to keep their coffee stations, vending machines, self-checkout marketing kiosks, and kitchens running smoothly. And we focus on making that process seamless, constantly maintaining a bright, well-stocked space that employees and clients love. We're the complete refreshment solution for any workplace, hotel, dealership, or school with our breakroom supplies, paper and janitorial products, our condiments, medicines, and water filtration systems, and prompt and reliable delivery. Perfect Choice has served the South Florida market since 1984, catering to the diversity of the area. We're committed to providing a wide range of the best products and services, ensuring that you, the person we value most, has a sufficient number of attractive choices available.